you like advent calendars and chocolate as much as I do. Because today we are unboxing, we're opening all of the Cadbury Heroes Advent Calendar for 2025. This has a lot of Cadbury chocolates in it that I've never tried before. Also, we have a special guest. On the back, it tells you all of the candies in here, the different types of them. Not suitable for children under 4. This is my husband, Ricky. He's gonna join us for the tasting. This here he is. He's sitting on a little stool. All right, we have dairy milk. We're gonna share.
That looks like a Dove chocolate to me.
It is a Dove chocolate. Maybe we'll only do half of these today and pick up another half later, or we're gonna be sick.
Subtitle is awkward chewing.
Plain chocolate. A twirl. Give us a twirl. This is gonna be a Twix. Not a Twix.
Oh, yeah.
Another straight chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna have tummy aches. Do you think Cadbury or Hershey does chocolate better?
Generally, I like Cadbury better.
Do you think, like some people do, that Hershey's tastes like vomit?
No.
It tastes like sick. You don't think that?
No.
I've thought of that sometimes.
Really?
Mm-hmm. All right, we have a Dinky Decker.
That looks like a Twix as well.
It's got a nougat in it. It's like nougat, Rice Krispies, and caramel. It says it contains barley and soya.
I like that better than the other two.
Really?
Oh wait, there's a weird aftertaste.
Yeah. It's the soya.
That's what I was about to say.
It's the soya. We don't know what soya is.
I'm getting...
We got another dairy milk. Oh, it's the Crunchy Bits.
All right.
Crunchy Bits.
It may be the best name.
It looks like a plain chocolate.
Oh. Excitement went down.
Mm-hmm.
It's a good crunchy.
It's like a Butterfinger taste, but with not as much Crunchy Bits. It was a Butterfinger. That's good. Like, look, you look like you have a tan compared to me.
Reflecting light off my head.
No, look how much paler I am than you.
Well, yeah. It's always been the case.
Really? Okay, 6.
How many are we doing?
It's a fudge. 10? Or we'll
I
do
better
it.
start taking tiny bites.
It's just called fudge.
So unexciting. Fudge. Does it taste like fudge?
Oh, I got one. It was very chewy.
Something's not right there.
You know it's bad when Ricky didn't finish it all.
That was the worst one.
Yeah. Oh, fudge. That had no fudge. Oh. It's an eclair.
It's like a Tootsie Roll.
Picking up your face. I'm trying to block out your face. Oh, no. I don't want to eat this one. This just looks like straight up caramel. Take a little bite. Is it just...
Ooh, it's hard.
It's a hard caramel.
It's hard.
You could save it for later. I know you like that kind.
That's what I said.
Oh, it's another Dinky Decker. We didn't like that one though, did we? Oh, it's another fudge. Maybe now we're gotten to all the same. Maybe we've opened. No, we haven't had that one.
That's disappointing.
We haven't had that one.
No, we haven't had this one.
We haven't had the cream egg. All right, where's 11?
Dairy milk caramel. We haven't had the caramel one, I don't think. I don't think so.
It's like a piece of chocolate. Oh. Oh, it's good. What are you doing? Put it in your mouth. If you like advent calendars, I've done a couple of advent calendars already, and I have a few more coming, like hot chocolate advent calendar that's probably coming next week, so stay tuned for that. Hi, I'm Shawn. Welcome to my channel. I do party games and lifestyle content over here. Subscribe, click if you like this video. Share down in the comment section, what advent calendar did you buy? And if you liked this one.
It was good. That's cream egg?
It's the cream egg.
I saw the light in your eye.
These are our favorite as Americans. It's literally just a different shape.
It's twisted. Does it taste like a cream egg? No.
It's not an American cream egg. It doesn't have the yolk in the middle. Not my favorite. I think I like the caramel, the dairy milk caramel, and the one that tastes like a Butterfinger.
Crunchy bits?
Crunchy bits! Oh, 12 is down here. Ooh, we haven't had this one. Whisper. Whisper. And it's got ridges. Ridges for her pleasure.
Isn't this family friendly?
It is. I can't put that on there. That has to be edited out. Like the Hershey air. Okay. To be continued a different day because we are old and we will get tummy aches. We're back. It's been a couple of days. We can't agree on how many days it's been. 3.
We did the first 12,
12,
I think.
so we're on 13. 13 is a caramel.
Dairy milk.
I liked this one last time.
Yeah, that one was good.
Do you want to try it first this time? Because you made a hot mess out of this one last time, remember? All right, 14. I like how I completely block your face as I do this. Do we have the fudge already?
I think so, because we said it didn't taste like fudge.
Oh, that's right.
But you can have that one.
I will take half a bite.
Yeah, because it looks like a Twix, but doesn't taste like a Twix.
Oh, yeah, I don't like this one.
No.
No, we did like that one. It has crunchy bits in it, right? Didn't we like this one? Uh-oh.
No, it's good. I don't remember. I don't taste any crunchy bits, though.
It's chocolate!
Yeah, it's chocolate.
Another fudge.
Oh, yay!
We'll give that one to our child. All right, 17. Oh, this one's mine?
What is it?
No, this was the disappointing one. Can you guess what it is?
The cream egg that didn't taste like cream egg, yeah. Yeah, you can have that.
18. Look at that one. Was that the one that was like aerated?
Yes. Whisper.
Whisper. 19.
Yeah, basic chocolate.
20. Crunchy bit.
Oh, yeah, that one was good before.
You could have this one.
What is that?
No, we already had this one.
have one
Remember?
already?
Yes.
What is it? No, we didn't.
Yes, it is. It's the hard caramel that you didn't like, that you had to spit out.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing opening that one?
Nope.
Break a tooth on.
That was bad.
That's the dentist. I'll put that one in there so that you'll spend money this holiday season. It was very sneaky. Remember that movie? Oh, that one's yours. Have a cracking Christmas, it says. Have a cracking Christmas. Is that what people say? Who says that? Have a cracking Christmas?
Wasn't Cadbury like British?
And it's an egg? But do people in England say have a cracking Christmas? No, that's probably the play on the fact that they do the eggs, don't you think?
Probably.
Did you show what it was? No, you just put it in your lap. It's it's the egg. Twisted Cadbury egg.
I'm very good at this.
Wait, let me show the folks down on the ground. The little who's down in Whoville.
I'm not being paid enough for this.
You're not being paid at all. You're getting paid in chocolates. What are you talking about?
I'm not being paid enough for this.
You had the last one.
You can have that one.
It's a caramel.
You can have it. It's fine.
24. Is this the last one? Oh no.
How do we end it?
On a twirl. You can have the twirl.
Thanks.
Thanks for joining us. Bye.